In this video, we'll show you how to integrate ChatGPT-4 in TwinBots. Setting up the bot script. Integration is possible for voice and chatbot. However, requests to ChatGPT only work correctly in chatbot. In telephony, resets are possible due to long responses of the neural network. Therefore, we strongly recommend using only chat for integration. In your personal account, go to the Bot section and create a new bot. To address the GPT in the Start block, increase the cycle count to its maximum value of 99. This means that you will be able to send up to 99 requests to the neural network within one dialogue. The first step is to take out the information, question, and condition blocks and link them. Next, for the link from the question block, specify the action type, default, and in the Save Answer field, add variable question. Thus, you will save any client's phrase into a variable. After adding two blocks statement, link them to condition and set the following parameters for the links. For the first link, select type default. And for the second link, select type and with condition. Variable GPT-4 context is equal to itself, where GPT-4 context is a variable list that stores the history of client requests within a dialogue. This is how the prompt, the key context of the ChatGPT conversation, will be checked. In the first block statement, add the following function. This will be your prompt. This condition is necessary to add the prompt to the general context at the beginning of the dialogue. Next, connect, link the blocks, and in the second one, add a function to query the GPT where response is a variable where the neural network's response will be written to. The name of the variable can be any. The main thing is to use the same name for data output everywhere. GPT-4.ask, responsible for sending a request to the neural network. Question, a variable with the client's request, which we memorized earlier in the question block link. 5/10, a number from 0 to 1, denoting the degree of reliability and variability of the neural network's answers. 0 is the maximum reliability and minimum variability, and 1 is the minimum reliability and maximum variability of responses. The fifth parameter is responsible for memorizing the client's responses. The parameter takes the values true or false, which respectively enable or disable memorization. If the parameter is set to true, the client's question will be added to the variable GPT-4 context. All previous client messages from this list will be passed as the context of the query. Thus, the bot will memorize all requests to the neural network and use them to answer. We will also add a function to save not only client requests, but also bot responses. Thanks to this, the context of the entire correspondence will be taken into account when forming the GPT response. After filling in the content, click the Save button. Next, add one more condition block and two information blocks, linking them together. In the first block information, enter the variable reply in curly brackets. And in the incoming link, specify the type and with condition. Variable answer in curly brackets is not equal to an empty field. This block will output the response of the neural network. Also add a handler in case of a long response. The maximum time should not exceed 1 minute. Otherwise, GPT returns an empty response, for which, in the second information block, write unfortunately, I can't answer this question. What else are you interested in? Then select action type, default. Thus, if the response of the neural network was not received, this phrase will be displayed. Now loop the script and test it right in the editor. And that's it. Now you know how to integrate ChatGPT-4 into TwinBots.